Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Jambo na karibu katika somo letu la leo where we are going to learn about greetings. The goal of the lesson is to learn greetings in Swahili and the objective is for the learner to be able to greet and answer in Swahili. So greetings in Swahili is maamkizi or salam. Now let us start with the famous jambo. Jambo is a casual greeting like hello or hi. The answer to jambo is jambo. Another casual greeting is habari. You can greet somebody habari at any time of the day. Habari, the answer, nzuri or nzuri sana. It's in the morning, you just woke up. How are you going to say good morning? Habari ya asubuhi. And the answer, nzuri or nzuri sana. It's in the afternoon. How are you going to say good afternoon? Habari ya mchana. And the answer, nzuri or nzuri sana. It's in the evening. How are you going to say good evening? Habari ya jioni. And the answer, nzuri or nzuri sana. If you want to greet many people in a formal setup, how do you greet them? Hamjambo. And the answer, hatujambo. If it's one person, hujambo. And the answer, sijambo. Now how do you greet an older person? Shikamoo. And the answer, marahaba. Shikamoo nyanya. Marahaba mwanangu. So just meet your friend after a long period of time. How are you going to ask them, how have you been? Umeshindaje? Umeshinda aje? The answer, nimeshinda salama. How are you going to ask your friend, how are you? Uko aje? Niko salama. Uko aje rafiki? Niko salama rafiki. So now how do you say goodbye in Swahili? Kwaheri or kwaheri tutaonana. Kwaheri tutaonana means goodbye, see you again. So you can just casually wave to your friend, kwaheri, and they reply, kwaheri tutaonana. So now let us go through some of the greetings we have learned in this lesson. I greet, you answer. Habari ya mchana. Habari ya jioni. Hamjambo. Shikamoo. Jambo. Habari ya asubuhi. Umeshindaje? Uko aje? So now you have learned some greetings. Keep on practicing with your rafiki. Just casually ask them, habari rafiki, or your lover, habari mpenzi, and keep the conversation going. Remember, as Kenyans, we really value greetings. When you go to a shop, just start with greetings. Everything will go smoothly. Or when you go to a hotel, start with greetings. Things will just flow. So yeah, keep on practicing and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out my lessons every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday. And if you want personalized lesson, I got you. Just write to me an email and book your classes today. Kwaheri, tutaonana.